Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. And today we will be having last practice session, PYQ sessions on trees. So in this session, I'll be discussing each and every question of data structures from trees, which was asked in GATE 2001 to 2005. I just hope that you must have tried all the problems and whatever queries you'll be having, all those queries will be handled in this session. First of all, let's go through a few important points like daily I'm taking the session on data structures and programming, though today is the last session. So after this, I'll be starting with the sessions on computer networks. So daily you can join the session from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And if you want to go through the concepts of data structures and programming, then in the playlist all the sessions are available, so just go through it once. And to get all these sessions, you can subscribe for our channel, that's Let's Crack GATE ESE. We had started with the Envision batch, which was targeting on GATE 2021. So under this batch, we have already covered these subjects which are displayed on the screen, like general aptitude, discrete mathematics, computer networks, DS and programming, compiler design, operating systems and algorithms. These subjects are already covered. So anyone who want to follow the sessions, these are freely available, so you can access those sessions. Apart from this, daily I'm taking the sessions on the special class on the Unacademy platform in the form of special class, which are easily accessible by any student, doesn't matter whether you have the subscription or not. To follow those sessions, you can download the Unacademy learning app, which is available on both the Play Store and the Apple Store. And by downloading this app, you can access to the sessions, you can participate in the test series, you can interact during the interactive live quizzes. So these are the benefits. Apart from this, if you have not downloaded the app, then also by just visiting the Unacademy website, you can follow the special classes. So when you'll be sign up, after that, when you'll be following the first class, they will be asking for the referral code. So the referral code is displayed on the screen. This is my referral code, that is Shefali. So this is my first name. By applying this referral code, you can access the free special classes. And in case if you want to cover the whole syllabus in detail, or you want to join the crash course, then you can upgrade your plan to the plus or the iconic. And at that point of the time, this code will be automatically applied at the time of checkout. So we have two types of paid subscriptions, plus and the iconic. Plus is our basic plan, whereas iconic takes your preparation level to the next level with the help of personal coach. So first of all, I'll be discussing the common benefits of the plus and the iconic. First and the most important one is, by getting the subscription, you will be able to access unlimited interactive live classes. These sessions are taken by India's best educators. Those who want to follow my plus course, you can search for Shefali Singla and definitely you'll get the course and you can follow that. But tabhi follow kar paoge if you have the subscription. If you don't have, then you can get the subscription. And along with the unlimited sessions, you will be provided with the structured courses and PDFs, and live tests and quizzes are included. And in order to take the doubts, live test or quizzes mein kuch doubts ho sakte hain aapke, or by any chance if you are following the recorded session, तो सेशन में डाउट हो सकता है, और डेली प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम्स में से कुछ डाउट्स हो सकते हैं. सो ऑल दोज डाउट्स will be handled in the dedicated doubt solving sessions. So these courses, the structure of these courses is designed in such a way that every fourth session will be a doubt solving session or a practice session. So your doubts, your queries will be handled in these sessions. And apart from this, you will be in the iconic, you will be getting some additional benefits. First one is guidance from the personal coach. Personalized test analysis would be provided. Study planner will be provided to you along with the preparatory study material. This is the most important benefit, and personalized test analysis is very, very important. So in this preparatory study material, daily practice problems, set of daily practice problems will also be included. This is not available under the plus. So if you want to get the material, then go for the iconic subscription. If we talk about the subscription plans under iconic, we have two plans, 1 year and 2 year. 1 year is for 50,250 and 2 year is for 74,000. If you're going to apply this referral code, by applying this referral code, you will be getting 10% discount. So this means that For 1 year iconic subscription, you just have to pay 45,225, and for 2 years you have to pay 66,600. If you look at the duration of the courses, duration gets doubled here but not the fee. If you are going for a 1 year subscription, anyhow you have to pay 45,225, but in case if you want to go for 2 year subscription, then for the second year approximately you need to pay 21,000 rupees extra. So what are the benefits of paying this much amount extra? So first of all, this 2-year plan is suggested to the students, those who are going to start their preparation at the early stage. This means that when you are in the first year, second year or third year of BTech, first important benefit is जितना जल्दी आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करोगे उतने बेटर बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे आपको, उतना बेटर स्कोर कर पाओगे, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. सो योर गेट रैंक, योर स्कोर विल डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्टेड, इट विल बी हैविंग अ रिजल्ट ऑफ योर प्रैक्टिस. So you'll get sufficient time for the practice. So this way you can improve your gate score. This will help you to improve your gate score. And also, you know that in GATE 2021, third year students are also eligible for writing the GATE paper. So give your 100%, write the GATE paper. We hope that in 2022 also, previous year students, pre-final year students will also be eligible. So in the fourth year, again you will be having one more chance. वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, because we know that gate score is valid for the 3 years. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इससे बेटर डिजर्व करते थे और यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर गेट स्कोर, तो फोर्थ ईयर में अगेन यू कैन राइट द गेट पेपर. तो अगर आपने सेकेंड ईयर या थर्ड ईयर में अपना 100% दिया, यू हैव कवर्ड द होल सिलेबस, देन इन दैट केस यू विल बी गेटिंग वन कंप्लीट ईयर फॉर प्रैक्टिस, एंड डेफिनेटली प्रैक्टिस विल पे यू ऑफ. And apart from that, whatever subjects are included in the GATE syllabus, those are the core technical subjects of your branch. For example, जो भी CSIT के students हैं, उनके जो core technical subjects है, all those subjects are included in the GATE syllabus. So anyhow you have to write the GATE paper. और वो जो subjects हैं वो आप generally second year और third year में पढ़ाए जाते हैं. Like when you'll be in the third semester, fourth, fifth or sixth semester, during these semesters you'll be covering all the subjects which are a part of GATE syllabus. So this way you need to prepare for semester exams. So semesters में normally students की tendency क्या रहती है, they focus on the theoretical concepts. But if you you have prepared the topics conceptually, numericals के साथ आप comfortable हो, code के साथ comfortable हो, algorithm के साथ comfortable हो, तो exam में questions किसी के भी basis पे आ जाए, every time you will be like paper was so easy. So this way you can perform well in the semester exams without going for extra coaching. And the third benefit is for the students, those who are interested in the campus placements. You know that companies visits the campus in the beginning of the 7th semester. So agar if you have written the third paper in the third year, definitely you can include your GATE score in your resume so that it gets shortlisted. And after that you need to go through the mandatory rounds of the placement, like the written round, which is also known as the elimination round, in which you will be facing multiple choice questions from the technical and the non-technical portion. Coding round, this is taken by a few companies, not by all the companies, but definitely interview round would be there. So what all subjects are important from placements point of view? The first core and the practical subject for CS and IT students is data structures and programming. Next one is algorithms. Next one is DBMS, especially the query languages. After that, apart from this, these subjects are important from the point of view, like these subjects are important from written point of view, coding as well as interview. And in the written you can expect the multiple choice questions from computer networks, operating systems and aptitude. So all these subjects are covered in the GATE syllabus. So agar aapne GATE syllabus cover kiya hai thoroughly, so you won't be finding any difficulty in this. Apart from this, if you are interested in the PSUs, then also you'll get the benefit, because many of the PSUs are directly recruiting on the basis of GATE score. And if they are taking their own paper, then the syllabus will be more likely similar to the GATE syllabus. So hardly 5 or 10% का difference होता है, इससे ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है. And I have already discussed that the notification for ISRO is out, and the link is also provided in the Telegram group, so you can refer to that. And those who want to fill out the form, you can fill out the form, and the last date for online submission of the form is 3rd of January. So approximately 1 week to go. So fill it out. Okay. So these are the benefits. तो जितना जल्दी आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करोगे उतना बेटर, उतने ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स का आप एडवांटेज ले पाओगे. एंड इन केस इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द 1 year subscription, so this is recommended to the students those are in the final year or those are pass outs. Short duration. And in case if you want to join the crash course, so many of you will be like GATE 2000, we are targeting on GATE 2021. So we want to join the crash course. So in that case, you can go for 1 month or 3 month subscription. 3 months में आपको थोड़ी सी पोस्ट गाइडेंस भी मिल जाएगी, एंड देन 1 month सिर्फ आप अपना क्रैश कोर्स फिनिश कर पाओगे. And those who are targeting on GATE 2022, this is the best time to start your preparation, क्योंकि आप 2021 वाले क्वेश्चंस भी देख पाओगे और 2022 और 23 वालों के लिए बेस्ट टाइम है अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने के लिए. सो स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. So if you want to join 1 month, 3 month or 6 months plan, this is for the students, those who want to join the crash course or those who want to cover few subjects. But in case if you want to cover the whole syllabus in detail, then at least go for 1 year subscription. In the plus, we have 1 year, 1.5 year and 2 year subscription plans. For 1 month, you have to pay 4,950 instead of 5,500 after applying this referral code. So whatever prices are shown here, these are after applying the referral code. This is before the referral code. So if while following the special classes you have already used the referral code, so this code will be automatically applied at the time of checkout when you'll be upgrading your plan from the free plan to the plus or the iconic plan. For 3 months you have to pay 12,375. For 6 months it's 22,275. For 1 year it's 27,225. For 1.5 year you have to pay 34,650, and for 2 years you have to pay 39,600. So this is all about plus plans, and whatever benefits I have discussed with you, all these benefits are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. And still, if you are having any query, you can write in the feedback form, and the link of the feedback form is also provided in the description box. I hope this is clear to everyone. Hi, good evening, Prateek. Clear? Let's crack it. I can see that many people are following this session live, but not getting the response. Am I audible? Just give me a confirmation. Audio video में कोई problem तो नहीं है? Because generally it doesn't happen during the session. As you know that this is the last practice session on trees. Okay, so it's clear. So let's start it. Already from GATE 2005 we have discussed 2 questions. So apart from that, जहाँ पे हमने कल वाले क्वेश्चंस खत्म किए थे, हम उसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? Very easy. Simply this is based on the insertion of elements in the Max Heap tree. Any response for this question? Already in the tree 5 elements are present, and the level order of those elements is given to you, and in this existing tree you have to add 2 more elements, and after the insertion you have to return that what will be the level order traversal of the resultant tree after performing the insertion. So level order is given. This means that at level 1 you will be having only 1 element, 10. Next will be 8. Next is 5, 3, and then we have 2. Now in this tree we want to add 2 more elements, that is 1 and 7. So first of all 1 is inserted. This is not going to change the tree because 1 is smaller than its parent, so that's fine. After inserting the 7, 7 is greater than its parent, so this is not satisfying the Max Heap property. So these two elements will be swapped. So here we'll get 7 and here we'll get 5. Now what is the level order traversal? It's 10, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. It's option A. Very good evening, Harsha. Easy, very easy. I guess now all of you are comfortable with Max Heap. हमने बहुत डिटेल में ये सारे टॉपिक्स डिस्कस किए हैं और उसके बाद हमने लास्ट 15 इयर्स का एक एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया, तो क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हुए भी बहुत क्लैरिटी आई होगी आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स में, राइट? लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. Quickly return the answer for this problem. See, I'll be providing the solution once you'll write the answer in the comment section, because this is a practice session. And already in the previous session, I had announced that in the next session, we'll finish all the pending questions from trees. So what will be the answer? A. So in this case, they are saying that post order of a given binary tree T produces the following sequence. This means that this is a post order of some binary search tree. And they're saying that which one of the following sequences of keys can be the result of an in-order traversal of a tree. ये तो हमारे लिए it's just like a baby problem, right? So in-order traversal of BST is what? पहली चीज, have you observed one thing कि on the basis of in-order traversal of BST, या तो आपको tree construction में given होगा या फिर directly property based question है, तो almost हर बार this property is used. On the basis of this property, you are getting a question, and we had discussed the basic rule, and we had derived that why it's always returning an ascending order. We know that in order traversal of BST always returns the elements in the ascending order. Reason we have discussed, and I just hope that it's clear to everyone. See, exam mein nobody is going to ask for the reasons. Doesn't matter whether you have crammed the formula, you have derived the formula or the property. But if you're facing some interview, so these points of these sort of points are important. So keep those points in your mind. So just arrange all these elements in the ascending order. So it will be 9, 10, 15, 22, 23 and so on. So elements in the ascending order. This is not the ascending order. This is not the ascending order. This is not the ascending order. Here there is a problem, not the ascending order, so A is the answer. Next question. Based on binary tree construction, a binary search tree contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A binary search tree contains 8 numbers, and obviously we know that the in order, this will be behaving as the in order. When the tree is traversed in pre-order, the values in each node printed out, the sequence pre-order is given as D is the correct answer. That's correct. So pre-order is given as 5, 1. I'm so sorry. It's 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. This is given. In order is given to you. Pre-order is given to you. From this, you can construct the tree. Pre-order means first element is the root element. So 5 will be the root. यहाँ से आपको check करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी elements smaller होंगे, obviously these will be present in the left subtree. So among these elements, 3 will be the root. Next root is 1. Since 1 is smaller, so go to the left side. 2 is greater than 1. and 4 is greater than 3. Then next is 5, next root is 6, next is 8, 8 is greater, 7 is smaller. So this is the binary tree that we have obtained from the in-order and the pre-order. Now you have to return the post-order. I have discussed multiple approaches to return the post-order. एक तो आपको according to the sequence, that is, first you have to write the elements of the left subtree, then the right subtree, and then the root. This way you can mark the blanks. और एक trick share की थी in which every time you need to delete the leftmost leaf node. So 3 leaf nodes are available. 2 is the leftmost. Then 1, 4 and 7 will be the leaf node. Leftmost is 1. 3 will be the internal node. 4 and 7 are the leaf nodes. 4 will be deleted. Then 3 will be the leaf node. 3. 5 is the internal node. Next will be having 7, 8, 6 and 5. And that is nothing but it's option D. Correct? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ तक? Next question. Return the answer for this problem. Hurry up. C, B, okay. Correct option is B. There are two ways. एक तो आप options eliminate कर सकते हो by considering some tree. What is given here in a binary tree, for every node the difference between the number of nodes, in the left and right subtree is at most 2. If the height of a tree h is greater than 0, the minimum number of nodes in the tree is. Minimum number of nodes कितनी होंगी? See, if a tree is having, if we have to count the total number of nodes n, this is equal to, or let me write this properly. Total nodes will be equal to, total nodes with height h will be equal to the number of nodes in left subtree plus number of nodes in right subtree plus 1. If total number of nodes are represented with n of h, तो number of nodes in subtree कितनी होंगी? Obviously बात है कि subtree की जो height होगी that will be 1 less than the height of a tree, right? So this means that it will be equal to nh minus 1. Right subtree में भी कितनी nodes हो सकती हैं? Number of nodes in the right subtree. But one condition is given, that the number of nodes in the left subtree and the right subtree is, the difference between the nodes is 2. So एक में अगर आपके पास nh minus 1 है तो let's consider here 2. Number of nodes in the left subtree plus number of nodes in the right subtree plus 1. So from this we got one recurrence relation, that is n of h is equal to 2 nh minus 1 minus 1. This is the recurrence relation. एक approach के just consider some tree and substitute the values, you'll get the result. Approach 1 to attend this question. Yes, with the tree I'm explaining this. So with height h, they are asking for the minimum number of nodes. तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे complete tree consider नहीं कर रही हूँ. And here the number of nodes in the height h, difference क्या है? In the right subtree, in the left subtree number of nodes are 2, in the right subtree 0 node is there. तो difference कितने का आ रहा है आपके पास? 0 का. So this is a valid tree. Here what is the height? Height of a tree is 2. And what is the value? Total nodes are equal to 3. Now try to substitute value here. If I'll substitute value here, 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 minus 1. This comes out to be 2. But number of nodes kitni hai? It is 3. So this is invalid option. See, complete binary tree इसलिए नहीं लिया क्योंकि they are asking for the minimum number of nodes. Keep one thing in mind, जब भी आपके पास maximum number of nodes consider करते हैं ना बच्चे, तो complete binary tree consider करते हैं with height h, क्योंकि उससे ज्यादा nodes नहीं आ सकती हैं. Clear? Similarly, if you substitute the value here, 2 raised to power 2 minus 1, this is returning 3. This can be the answer. 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 plus 1. This is also returning 3. 2 raised to power 2. This is 4. This is discarded. So there is a confusion between option B and C. यही options आपने return किए. Now consider one more tree. Number of nodes in a left subtree are, let's assume that maximum difference कितना हो सकते हैं? 2 का. So in the left subtree, number of nodes are 3. So right में at least 1 should be there. 1 node should be there. क्योंकि 2 से ज्यादा का difference, number of nodes में 2 से ज्यादा का difference नहीं आ सकता. Make sense? So this is another case. Second case हमें क्यों consider करने की जरूरत पड़ी है? क्योंकि there is a tie between option B and C. So in this case, the height of a tree is 3. And the number of nodes are 5. Substitute the value here. 2 raised to power h, 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Is it equal to 7? No. So C cannot be the option. Substitute the value in B. So this comes out to be 2 raised to power 3 minus 1 plus 1. 2 raised to power 2 is 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So again, this is returning correct answer. So obviously B is the correct answer. This is using approach 1. Other approaches, we have got the recurrence relation. Just solve this recurrence relation. You know that how to solve a recurrence relation. So this recurrence relation can be easily solved using substitution method. So we got the recurrence relation. That is n of h is equal to 2n h minus 1 minus 1. Solve this using, let's assume that I'm solving it using substitution method. Substitution method means substitute the value of n h minus 1. So after the first substitution, you'll get here n of h is equal to, when the value is substituted here, recurrence relation ma'am, number of nodes in right subtree कैसे आई? See, number of nodes आपके पास left subtree में कितनी होंगी? That is returned by h minus 1. Right subtree में भी maximum nodes कितनी हो सकती हैं? With h minus 1. But दोनों में difference क्या बताया है? दोनों में difference is 2. So if the number of nodes in this tree are nh minus 1, तो यहाँ पे number of nodes कितनी होंगी? 2 less. Correct? Total number of nodes कितनी होती हैं tree में? Number of nodes in the left subtree plus number of nodes in the right subtree plus 1. अगर subtree की बात कर रहे हैं तो अगर total complete tree की height is h, तो subtree की height कितनी होगी? h minus 1. So number of nodes in the left subtree is nh minus 1. Number of nodes right subtree में भी कितनी हो सकती है? h minus 1. But it's given that the difference in the number of nodes is 2. So taking here minus 2 and plus 1, this is for the root node. Just simplified this, nh minus 1 plus nh minus 1 becomes 2nh minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is how we got the recurrence relation. Clear? So after this, you know that how to solve a recurrence relation. In algorithms, we have discussed 3 methods to solve a recurrence relation: substitution method, recursive tree method, or Master's theorem. So here I'm using the substitution method. So this comes out to be 2 square nh minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. When again you'll be substituting here, you will be getting 2 raised to power 3 h minus 3 minus 2 square minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as 2 raised to power 0. This is 2 raised to power 1. Similarly, 2 raised to power 4 comes out. This will be minus 4 minus 2 cube minus 2 square minus 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power 0. Now what if we'll consider n is equal to 7 with height 3. Construct करके देख लो. Height of a tree is 3. 3 height is there and you are taking number of nodes as 7. So 4, 5, 6 and 7 here. So is it satisfying the condition? It's clearly given that the number of nodes, focus on this point, the number of nodes in the left subtree and the right subtree, the difference between the number of nodes between the left subtree and the right subtree is 2. तो अगर आप number of nodes लेते हो 7, तो या तो either here you will be considering the complete tree 1, 2, something like this. So, but in that case, it won't be returning the minimum number of nodes. अगर minimum number of nodes पूछिए तो बच्चे हमेशा unbalanced tree के लिए जाते हो. So that's why this is not considered. Okay. So I'm solving this. So ultimately you got an idea कि यहाँ पे आपके पास you will be getting a GP series. So make this term equal to 1 because that will be the termination condition और जो भी आपके पास termination condition है. So let's repeat this step for h minus 1 times. So this comes out to be 2 into 2 raised to power h minus 1. You'll get here n of 1. Or with height 1, how many nodes will be there? With height 1, number of nodes will be 2. So that's why I'm taking here for this term, I'm taking the value 2. And when you'll be repeating this step for the h minus 1 times, this comes out to be h minus 1. And here you will get a GP series. So if it is 4, तो ये कहाँ से start हो रहा है? 3 से. So if it is repeated for h minus 1 times, so here you will be getting h minus 2. So reverse order में I am taking minus common. So this comes out to be 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2 up to 2 raised to power h minus 2. So we got the equation. You got the GP series. Just apply the formula for sum of GP series. That is A into common ratio is greater than 1. What is the formula? It is A into r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. If the common ratio is greater than 1. If common ratio is less than 1, then what is the formula? It's A 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r. But here the common ratio is 2, so we'll be applying this formula. First term is 1 only. 2 into 2h minus 1 minus 1. Common ratio is 2. Number of terms in the series are h minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. Just simplify this. Divided by r is 2. 2 minus 1. Simplify this. So 2 into 2h minus 1. If you will take this term common. you'll get here 2 minus 1 and plus 1. Plus 1. So this will be 2 raised to power h minus 1 plus 1. So just we got the reconciliation, and after that I have solved the reconciliation. So it's your choice. So detail maybe you have covered this topic in detail, that how to solve the reconciliation in the first unit of algorithms. Hi, good evening Shweta. So these are the two different approaches that you can refer to. Get the reconciliation, solve the reconciliation. Termination condition is when the height is 1, the minimum number of nodes will be 2. Hi, good evening Kushagra. Is this clear? This is approach 1 and this is approach 2. Let me know if anybody is having any doubt. Any doubt, any query? Great. So let's move on to the next question. Return the answer for the next question. This is the last problem which was asked in 2005. After this, we'll be moving on to the problems of 2004. This is a small question, very easy concept, but छोटा भी है, easy भी है, but थोड़ा सा tricky भी है. What will be the answer? D. N minus P plus 1. Okay, I don't think this is a correct answer. C. Okay. Yes, C is the right answer. Let's discuss this problem. Answer is N minus P. They're saying that the numbers 1, 2 to N are inserted in a binary search tree in some order. If the resulting tree, in the resulting tree, the right subtree of the root contains P nodes. So what is the structure? We have the root. We will be having the left subtree and we will be having the right subtree. Right? जब भी आप कोई भी ट्री कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो भी आपके पास फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आएगा, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू इंसर्ट द एलिमेंट्स लाइक 1, 2 एंड 3, तो जो भी आप, इफ यू हैव टू ऐड द एलिमेंट्स इन द सीक्वेंस, सो व्हाट विल बी द रूट नोड? जो भी आपके पास फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है, बिकॉज इफ यू आर इंसर्टिंग द एलिमेंट इन एन एम्प्टी ट्री, दैट विल बिकम द रूट नोड. और बाइनरी सर्च ट्री में आपके पास कोई भी स्वैपिंग्स नहीं होती हैं कि आप रूट की पोजीशन को चेंज कर दो. दे आर सेइंग दैट if the total number of nodes are n, so 1 will be the root. It will be total nodes are n, so the number of nodes in the left subtree plus the number of nodes in the right subtree. So if x represents the number of nodes in the left subtree and right subtree में कितनी nodes है? p nodes. So total number of nodes will be equal to the number of nodes in the left subtree, number of nodes in the right subtree plus 1. So on the basis of this, can you calculate that how many nodes will be there in the left subtree? So on the basis of this equation, we can find out the value of x minus 1. So how many nodes will be present in the left subtree? It will be n minus p minus 1. If it is a binary search tree, so something like 4, 1, 3 and 2, something like this. So if 3 nodes are there, तो root पे आपके पास कौन सा element है? What they are asking for the first number to be inserted in the tree must be. They have simply given that in the in the right subtree these nodes will be there. So what will be the first number that will be inserted first? So this means that they are asking that what will be the value of the root. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास root की value क्या है? That is 4. Yes? Is this clear? So what is this value? This is the number of nodes present in the left subtree plus 1. मैम अगर 0 भी होता है यहाँ पे तो it's clearly given that the sequence is starting from 1. आपके पास elements कितने हो सकते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to n. Right? So it will be what? It is the number of elements. What is the root element? Root element will be equal to the number of elements or number of nodes in the left subtree plus 1. मैम ओके, लास्ट पॉइंट रिपीट करना है. लास्ट पॉइंट में बच्चे मैंने ये बोला था कि अब आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे भी डाउट्स पूछ सकते हैं कि मैम अगर यहाँ पे 0 भी अवेलेबल होता तो फिर यहाँ पे 4 ऐड हो रहा है तो ये तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा, राइट? So in this case, or if you are taking some other element, तो it's clearly given that आपके पास numbers कौन से हो सकते हैं? These can be the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to n. So that's why it's not possible. तो कितने elements available है left subtree में? That is 3. So the next root element will be what? It will be 4. Make sense? So we have already calculated the number of elements present in the left subtree, that is n minus p minus 1 plus 1, क्योंकि last element तो यहाँ पे add हुआ ही है, so we have to take the next element. So it comes out to be n minus p minus 1 plus 1 and this comes out to be n minus p. So C is the correct answer. Now is this clear to everyone? Yes? Hi, good evening, ESE Pandey. It's okay. You can follow the recorded session अगर किसी भी question में आपको कोई doubt है. So these were the problems which were asked in 2005. Now let's move on to the problems which were asked in 2004. This is the first problem. X plus p plus 1 is rule. अब बेटा अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं कर रहे हो कॉन्सेप्ट को. सी व्हाट इज n? व्हाट इज n? n रिप्रेजेंट्स ट्री के अंदर. इफ दिस इज अ ट्री, टोटल नोड्स कितनी होंगी ट्री में? टोटल नोड्स इन अ ट्री विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? इफ दिस इज अ बाइनरी ट्री, that will be equal to the number of nodes in the left subtree. यही कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने इससे पहले भी यूज किया इसी सेशन में. नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इन लेफ्ट subtree plus, for example, x nodes are there, number of nodes in the left subtree plus number of nodes in the right subtree. यहां पे तो नहीं छोड़ सकते. प्लस 1. प्लस 1 क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब आप टोटल नोड्स कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इन द लेफ्ट सबट्री प्लस नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इन द राइट सबट्री प्लस 1. प्लस 1 is for root. And it's given in the question that the number of nodes in the right subtree of the root contains p nodes. Right? So if it is p nodes, so I have substituted the value here p plus 1 as it is रहेगा. Total number of nodes कितनी है? We have assumed that this is n. 1 to n का मतलब क्या है? Total n nodes are there. Total nodes will be equal to n. Total number of elements are given in the question, that is equal to n. And I have assumed that I want to find out the number of nodes in the left subtree. So I have assumed that that is x. नहीं assume करना, इस पूरी term को as it is लिख लो. So I just want to calculate the value of this one. Now is this clear to everyone? Harsha is still saying it's option D. Why is it option D? I have proved this. Answer is n minus p, that is option C. Okay, D is the answer for next problem. Got it, got it. So answer for this problem is D. That's the correct one. It's correct one. So simply आप options को eliminate भी कर सकते हो, और from the in order and pre-order you can construct the tree and you can match the option, right? So in order is given as BCAD and pre-order is given as ABCD. So this means that for the tree, A will be the root node. In all the cases, A is the root node. A is the root node. B और C left side पे आएंगे और D सिर्फ right side पे होगा. यहाँ पे B और C should be present on the left side, but सिर्फ left में B present है, so this option is eliminated. Left side, left subtree is empty. This cannot be the answer. B and C are present on the left side and D is present on the right side. That's correct. But according to the in order, C is present to the right of B. But here C के left में B present है, so this is incorrect. C is present to the right of B. Or simply you can construct the tree. If you know the in order and the pre-order, you can you can construct a unique binary tree. So it's very easy problem. So answer is clearly the option D. Next problem. This is also one of the very easy problem. फटाफट से आंसर रिटर्न करो. B. Okay. Consider the label sequences obtained by the following pairs of traversals on a labeled binary tree. Which of these pairs identify a tree uniquely? Tree को uniquely identify करने के लिए एक तो आपको in order चाहिए. Along with this, any of the sequence of pre or post order. In this question also, there's a confusion between option B and C. In order is must. Pre-order and post-order से unique tree नहीं मिल सकता. In order and post-order will give you a unique tree. We have constructed the tree as well. Pre-order and in order, can it give you a unique tree? Yes, it can. Level order and post-order? No. So 2 and 3 are correct. That is option B. Why are you supporting option C, Shweta and Diya? Okay, Diya has changed her answer. Shweta, what's wrong with you? आपने इतने सारे trees construct किए, इतनी सारी practice कर चुके हैं, हम still there's a confusion in such type of problems. This means that you need more practice. Next problem. So these type of problems also we have discussed earlier. So just look at the code, and in this case they'll be asking that what will be the output. So what function is returning? So the value returned by the function DoSomething. DoSomething is a function which is returning some value, and execution कहाँ से start होती है? From the root node. So when a pointer to the root of a non-empty tree is passed as an argument, so it is going to calculate the number of leaf nodes in the tree, it is going to calculate the number of nodes in the tree, it is going to calculate the number of internal nodes in the tree or height of a tree. Okay. So this is the code. Identify that whether it's going to return the number of nodes in a tree or number of internal nodes, external nodes, or the height of a tree. Yes, D is the correct answer. See, it is doing the execution on both. So here you can escape from this code. This is declaring the structure of a it's declaring a structure of a node that is a doubly linked list node, right? Do something. This is holding the address to a pointer. I guess बहुत डिटेल में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी solution को. Int value, initially the value is 0. अगर pointer is pointing to some node, it is not equal to null. This means that node exists here and left child is not equal to null. तो क्या कर रहा है? It is updating the value of 1 plus do something on the left child. Left child के ऊपर it is doing something. Okay, so do something, it is performing the same operation here. So यहाँ पे फिर से check करेगा left subtree है, right subtree है. तो again if it is satisfying, it is adding 1. अगर right child is not equal to null, तो भी ये 1 plus do something on right child. Right subtree के ऊपर same function call is called and it is adding the value 1. और यहाँ पे कौन सी value मिल रही है इसको? Which is updated here. अगर update नहीं हुई है, then it is getting the 0 value. And here it is using the maximum function. जब भी आपको total number of nodes count करनी होती है या फिर number of leaf nodes return करनी है या फिर number of internal nodes calculate करनी है, वहाँ पे max function use नहीं होता है. Tree की height क्या होती है? That is the height of the left subtree or the height of the right subtree. Whatever is the maximum value that is returned. So that's why it is calculating the height of a tree. So yes, you all are getting it right. So answer is D. Next problem. Very, very easy problem. Return the answer. बच्चे काफी easy problem है. One after these elements are inserted one after another. For insertion of elements in a heap, we have discussed two approaches. I told you that if nothing is given, or then you have to use the build heap method, but it's given in the question that you have to use one after another approach. So what will be the answer? What will be the resultant tree? B, D. Okay. All right. So let's see. A. Thank you, Lavjeet. मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल गिरने से आपने बचा लिया कि मैंने ठीक से पढ़ाया, मतलब बाकियों को समझ में नहीं आया. One after another. So first of all, 32 will be taken. This is a max heap. Take the next element. No problem. Still this is a max heap because the new element is smaller than the parent. Next element is 20. It's still a max heap. Next is 30. 30 will be added here one after another. So according to ACBT, it will be added here. This is greater than its parent, so need to swap the elements. So here we'll get 30 and here we'll get 15. तो आपके पास ऑप्शन बी और डी तो पहले ही एलिमिनेट हो गई. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट टू बी इंसर्टेड इज 12. दैट्स करेक्ट हियर. तो इसका मतलब यह है कि लेफ्ट सब ट्री तो आपके पास फिक्स हो गया. राइट. सो कंफ्यूजन इज बिटवीन ऑप्शन ए एंड सी. सी तो किसी का आंसर ही नहीं है. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट 25 will be added here. This is the correct position, but 25 is greater than its parent, so need to swap the elements 25 and 20. Next element to be inserted is 16. 16 is smaller than its parent, so that's perfectly fine. So this comes out to be 32, and on the left of 32 will have 30, and on the right we are having 25. On the left 15, 12, 20 and 16, that is option A. नहीं, रिजल्ट सेम नहीं होता है. सी कौन से केस में रिजल्ट सेम नहीं होता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर गेटिंग द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड विच इज फॉर विच यू नीड टू हिपिफाई द ट्री. फॉर सेकेंड चाइल्ड ऑल्सो यू नीड टू हिपिफाई द ट्री. Right? So in that case, the elements are going to change the position. For both the elements, you need to change the position. Okay? Let's consider one example. If I want to insert the elements in the Max Heap tree, I want to construct the Max Heap tree with 1, 2, 3. First of all, 1 is inserted, one after another के साथ 2 is greater than the parent, so 2 will be swapped. 1, next 3 will be added at its correct position. Now 3 is greater than its parent, so this will be swapped. 2. Correct? Now this is using one after another. Using build heap. It will be, first of all, you need to add the elements 1, 2, 3. This will be replaced with its parent 3 and 1. So are they same? These are not same. Moreover, number of swaps यहाँ पे 2 है. Here number of swaps में भी difference है. Result जरूरी नहीं कि आपके पास same आएगा. So I have taken a very small example to clear your doubt. Hope this is clear to everyone. So you need to focus on this statement which is given in the question, that how they are constructing the heap tree using one after another or build heap. So answer for this problem is A. And I was expecting कि सबका answer correct आएगा, but I guess 1 or 2 people got it right. One is Lavjeet and other is Shashi. That's it. And it's really disappointing for me. Next question. Based on the level order traversal. Level order traversal क्या होता है? They are simply asking for that. D. Very good. So level order traversal of a rooted tree can be done started from the level order. क्या होता है? root से आप start करते हो और level by level you are performing breadth first search. पहले level 1 के सारे elements आएंगे, then level 2 and then level 3. So this is nothing but breadth first search. Yes, answer is correct. That is D. Next question. Okay, in this case, you have to insert the elements in an empty binary search tree. I hope that everybody is clear with the concept of binary search tree. That is, all the elements which are present in the left subtree will be smaller than the root, and all the greater elements are present on the all the elements which are present in the right subtree will be greater than the root. So you have to construct a binary search tree, and finally you have to return that what is the height of a binary search tree. And the definition of a height is given in the question. Also, apart from that also, we know that height is nothing but it's the maximum distance from the रूट नोड टू द मैक्सिमम जो भी आपके पास लीफ नोड है. ओके, ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज 4. Lavjeet is returning 3. Okay, so everybody is returning 3 as the answer. See, this question was asked in GATE 2004, as well as this question, same question was asked in ISRO 2009. ISRO का फॉर्म बच्चे, जो भी लोग आप में से ISRO का फॉर्म फिल करने वाले हैं, लास्ट डेट टू सबमिट द ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फॉर ISRO इज 3rd January. तो जो भी लोग ISRO की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो PYQs बहुत ढंग से करना, बहुत तरीके से करना, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली ऑप्शंस भी चेंज नहीं होती हैं, ऑर्डर भी चेंज नहीं होता है, आपके पास सेम क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, काफी क्वेश्चंस आपको सेम मिलेंगे. So 10, since in the empty binary search tree you have to add the elements, so 10 will be the root element. Next element is 1, it is smaller. Next element is 3, it's smaller than 10, left side, greater than 1, right side. 5 is smaller, greater and greater. Next element is 15, greater, so it will be a part of the right subtree. 12 is greater but smaller than 15. Next element is 16, so 16 is greater than 10, greater than 15, 16. So if you look at the height of the right subtree, that is 2, and the height of left subtree, that is the distance. Distance means the number of edges. So this is height 1, 2 and 3, so height is 3. I guess third year में fill नहीं कर सकते. And the detailed notification is shared. पूरे description बचे जो भी हमारे groups हैं, in every group it's shared. You can just look at the criteria, but as per my knowledge, pre-final year students can't fill out the ISRO form. क्योंकि इनको recruitments करनी होती है third year के बाद, तो आप anyhow अपनी job join नहीं कर पाओगे. And they won't wait you to complete 4th year. So pre-final year students are not eligible. So any doubt till this point? Let's move on to the next question. So 2004 के भी सारे questions हम discuss कर चुके हैं. Now let's start with the questions which were asked in 2003. Return the answer, read the problem carefully. What will be the answer? First of all, let me know how many of you are clear with the problem statement. Option is B. Okay, that's correct. हाँ, गेट का पेपर दे सकते हैं थर्ड ईयर में. जो भी स्टूडेंट्स अभी थर्ड ईयर में, दे कैन राइट गेट 2021, बट प्री फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स कांट गो फॉर द ISRO एग्जाम. A structure is required for storing a set of integers such that each of the following operations can be done in log n time, where n is the number of elements in the set. So what they are saying, qualify हुआ third year में, तो you can use your gate score after the completion of 4th year. क्योंकि अगर आपको MTech करनी है तो 4th year BTech खत्म होगी तो ही आप MTech शुरू करोगे. Gate score is valid for 3 years. So in the next year और उसके बीच में अगर 4th year के बाद आपको 1 साल जॉब करनी है, उसके बाद भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. गेट स्कोर के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसकी जो एक्सपायरी डेट है, दैट इज फॉर 3 years. इट्स वैलिड फॉर 3 years. So यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि आपके पास n elements हैं and some data structure is used to store these n elements, and कौन सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर यूज होगा so that every operation can be done in log n time. Okay, so what operations are performed? Deletion of the smallest element and insertion of an element if element is not present in the set. अगर एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो एलिमेंट को ऐड करना है, और डिलीशन आप किसी की भी कर सकते हो. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी यूज फॉर दिस पर्पस? तो यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन किसका आ रहा है? हीप का आ रहा है कंपैरिजन, और बाइनरी सर्च ट्री का आ रहा है. करेक्ट. नाउ in the heap tree, if you want to delete an element, what is the complexity for deletion? Deletion और insertion operation देखने. Element को insert करने से पहले first of all you need to find that if the element is already present or not. So that is the condition. So what will be the complexity for heap tree? We have to make a comparison on the complexities of heap and the balanced binary search tree. Heap and balanced binary search tree. You want to add one, you want to delete one element from the heap. What will be the complexity? How much time will it be taking? It will be taking log n time. एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट करने, इंसर्शन के लिए इट विल टेक log n टाइम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट करने से पहले व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू फाइंड वेदर दैट एलिमेंट इज प्रेजेंट इन द सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और नॉट. सो हियर you can't apply, so if you'll store the elements of the heap tree in the array, that will not be in the arranged. Those elements will not be sorted. So this means that you need to apply linear search. And the complexity of linear search is order of n. So overall complexity for inserting an element, step 1 is taking order of n, step 2 is taking log n. So n plus log n is what? That is order of n. So insertion is taking order of n. What about balanced binary search tree? In the balanced binary search tree, deletion will balanced tree है, तो obviously बात है deletion will be taking log n. Element को insert करना है, but before insertion you need to find out the element whether it's present or not. So when you'll be writing the elements in the in order of a tree, then you'll get a sorted order, right? So you'll get a sorted order, and to search for any element, if sorted order is there, then you can apply binary search to search for an element. Insertion के लिए तो it will take log n. To find an element by applying binary search, it will also take log n. So what is the overall complexity for insertion? That is log n. So this means that which data structure is suitable? That is balanced binary search tree, but not heap. So a heap can be used but not a balanced binary search tree. That is incorrect. A balanced binary search tree can be used but not a heap. Yes, that's correct. Both can be used? No. Neither. दोनों में से कोई भी use नहीं हो सकता. That is also incorrect. See, binary, it's a binary search tree. We know the property that if you'll be arranging the elements, you'll be finding the in order of binary search tree that will always returns the sorted order, ascending order. Ascending order क्या होता है? That is sorted. Right? Clear, Harsha? So clearly the answer for this problem is B. Next problem. This was also included in ISRO 2009. Same question. Answer. Very easy problem. बहुत ज़्यादा problems कर चुके हैं हम same pattern पे. Ma'am, I'm asking for heap. It will never be sorted. आपके पास कोई भी elements आ रहे हैं, आप कोई भी sequence follow कर लो. How can you say that it will be sorted? See, आप मेमोरी में ट्री को एज इट इज स्टोर रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. इट विल ईदर बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द एरे और इन द लिंक लिस्ट. राइट? तो एरे रिप्रेजेंटेशन में यू कैन अप्लाई द बाइनरी सर्च. Clear? Yes, answer for next problem is C. I'm asking for this problem. Is this clear? Okay. So answer for this problem is C. What they are asking? They are asking for they're saying that the numbers are inserted in the given order into an initially empty binary search tree. Binary search tree uses usual ordering on the natural numbers. They are asking for the in-order traversal sequence of the resultant tree. तो इस tree से आपके पास in order क्या होगा? That will be an ascending order. Simply find out the ascending order of these elements. That is option C. So clearly it's option C. Let's move on to the next question. Try to attempt this. See, we have discussed this type of problem where we had written the recurrence relation, right? Here you are given with the recurrence relation and they are asking for the number of binary search trees on n. They are asking for what will be the x. तो अगर आपको वो रेफरेंस रिलेशन वाला क्वेश्चन समझ में आया था तो इजीली यू कैन रिटर्न द आंसर फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम. Okay, Shweta has returned one option. What about others? B. Very good. So yes, B is the correct answer. What they are saying, let Tn be the number of different binary search trees on n distinct elements. तो इस recurrence relation का मतलब क्या है? This is one subtree and this is another subtree. So this is representing the number of binary search trees in the left subtree, number of binary search trees in the right subtree. So how will you find this value? We know that total number of nodes are equal to the number of nodes in left subtree plus the number of nodes in the right subtree plus 1. Right? So total number of nodes, since here they are using n, so total number of nodes are n. Left subtree mein, let's assume that it's k minus 1. Right subtree mein, it is x plus 1. This will get cancelled out and they are asking for what is x. So x will be what? X will be equal to n minus k. So clearly it's option B. Clear? Quickly give me a confirmation if it's clear to everyone. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Ma'am, session duration. Are you tired? This is the last problem for the session. Okay, option D. Because I told you that I'll be covering the questions from GATE 2001 to 2020. 2001 में कोई question नहीं आया था and in 2002 only one problem was asked. 2003 के finish कर लिए, 4, 5 we have already covered. Okay, so how to find out the answer for this one? What they are asking, the number of leaf nodes in a rooted tree of n nodes with each node having 0 or 3 children. Yes, D is the correct answer. So for this, we have to find out the leaf nodes. Leaf nodes kitni hongi? Leaf nodes will be equal to the number of internal nodes total number of nodes minus internal nodes. Right? So let me, instead of writing this, so for simplification, I'm writing this as minus I. We want to find out the value of L, but we don't know what are the total number of nodes we know, but we don't know what is I, internal nodes. So how to calculate this? We know that if every node is having 3 children, 0 or 3 children, so basically we know that the number of edges are 1 less than the number of nodes. Number of nodes in a tree minus 1 gives you the number of edges. So find out the number of edges in this tree. How many edges will be there? If every node will be having 0 or 1 child. So if internal nodes are I, every internal node will be having 3 children. So this comes out to be 3. Very good. Okay, clear. Those who are not clear with this question, let me explain this. फटाफट से खत्म करते हैं. So it will be 3 into I. या फिर हम इसको general form में calculate कर लेते हैं. If it is, instead of giving you 3 array, if it is given as K array. I'm deriving the formula for K array. In this question, K is given as 3. At the end, you can substitute this value. So K into I, number of nodes are n minus 1. So, but we want to find out the leaf nodes. This will be giving you the answer. Let me call this as equation 1. So, can you find out the value of I? I comes out to be n minus 1 divided by K. Substitute this value here. Substitute I, or let me call this as 2. Substitute the value of 2 in 1. And K is given as 3. आप यहाँ पे भी find out कर सकते हो n minus 1 divided by 3. So substitute this value here. L comes out to be n minus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 3n minus n minus 1 divided by 3. This comes out to be 2n. Minus and minus comes out to be plus 2n plus 1 divided by 3. That is nothing but option D. Hi Ajay. Is this clear? So this is all about PYQs on trees. काफी sessions हो गए. So now we will be having a long weekend. So enjoy your weekend, but इतना भी enjoy नहीं करना कि आप sessions ही नहीं देखो. So those who have missed any session, you can follow the recorded sessions. YouTube पे भी available है और special classes को भी बच्चे एक बार access करके जरूर देखो. You'll get lot of content in the form of special classes, and special classes are free of cost. जब भी आप first class को access करोगे, this is for the new learners. Whenever first time you'll be accessing the special class, you have to apply a referral code. So you can apply the referral code. That is my first name, Shefali, Shefali. So by applying this code, you can follow the sessions. And to follow my profile, my Unacademy profile link is provided in the description box. So just follow that link. Today is the last day. Tomorrow is 25th of December, 25th, and then we have Saturday and Sunday of the series. Yes. of data structures and programming, but I'll be taking more sessions on PYQs on programming because we had discussed the questions till 2014. इससे आपके प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी रिवाइज हो जाएंगे क्योंकि इट्स मोर देन 1 or 2 months कि आपने प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स नहीं किया, एंड प्रोग्रामिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो द सेशन ऑन ग्राफ्स विल बी ऑन, obviously I'll be taking that session on YouTube. YouTube class timing is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Let me discuss the topics that I'll be covering in the upcoming sessions. So 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Next session will be on Monday. Monday I'll be discussing the graph traversals. This may also go till 8:30 p.m. Graph traversals, in which in detail we will be talking about BFS and DFS. No, because we were not sure कि किस time पे session over होगा, so I have not planned for a special class. And let me discuss the schedule. कल भी नहीं है special class. 25th हम पूरा off रखते हैं, बहुत time हो गया, we have not taken off. हाँ, मैं प्रोग्रामिंग करवाऊंगी क्योंकि प्रोग्रामिंग कुछ लर्नर्स ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने काफी लेट ज्वाइन किए. एंड ट्यूसडे आई विल बी टेकिंग PYQs ऑन ग्राफ्स. आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग PYQs ऑन ग्राफ्स. Then to revise the concepts of programming, I'll be taking 2 practice sessions. Practice on programming. Practice on programming, Thursday. Okay, and in the special class timing is same. It is at 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. In this we have to talk about one of the very important topic from COA. So the next session will be on Saturday, in which we will be talking about updating techniques. In this, we will be discussing updating techniques. Okay. So in this week, Friday is completely off. No session on Friday. So this means that tomorrow we won't be having any session. Rest, I'll share the links in the group. That is our official Telegram group, Let's Crack Gate CSE. So I'll suggest everybody to join that group so that you can get the notifications. Tomorrow, no class. Okay, तो न्यू ईयर पे हम न्यू सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे on the YouTube as well as on the special. Okay, any query from your side? मूल मंत्र के? मूल मंत्र is practice only. So we know that today it is the age of competition. And all the competitive exams are based on speed, accuracy and logic, which requires constant practice from the very beginning. And let me tell you one more thing. जो 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 और 20 के C programming के previous year questions है, those were discussed on the Unacademy platform in the special classes. Okay, तो आपको YouTube वाली playlist में शायद it's not available. So you can refer to the special classes if you want to follow the sessions on PYQs on C programming. जिन्होंने प्रोग्रामिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट्स प्रोग्रामिंग के सेशंस अटेंड नहीं किए, इफ यू हैव द टाइम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉलो दो सेशंस एंड देन गो फॉर PYQ सेशंस. अदरवाइज आप डायरेक्टली भी PYQs के लिए जा सकते हो अगर आप के पास सफिशिएंट टाइम नहीं है, बिकॉज इन दैट ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल. To you too, Shweta. Okay. To access the special classes बिल्कुल फ्री है. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये डाउट होता है कि अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो इट्स पेड. जो प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन और आइकॉनिक है दैट इज पेड, बट स्पेशल क्लासेस आर फ्री. फॉर दैट यू जस्ट नीड द रेफरल कोड. You too enjoy your weekend, but आप लोग उतना enjoy नहीं कर सकते because you have to write the paper. But still you can manage to enjoy. Okay, So this is all about this session. Hope this series was useful, data structures and programming, and I try to cover each and every question and every topic in detail. So follow these sessions. Those who have joined late, तो आपके पास जो weekend आया है, in that you can follow the recorded sessions. And those who have not joined our Telegram group, तो बच्चे I'll suggest कि आप ये group join कर लो. अगर कोई भी क्लास नहीं है या फिर कोई क्लास है, टाइमिंग चेंज हुए, तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी अपडेटेड इन द ग्रुप एंड द लिंक विल बी शेयर्ड इन द ग्रुप. And the link of this group is also given in the description box for your convenience. So just join the group, and definitely if you like this video तो थोड़ा सा motivate कर दिया करो educators को भी. Click on the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. And if you want to follow the free special classes or you want to get the paid subscription plus or iconic, use the referral code to get the maximum discount. And by applying this referral code, simply without paying anything, you can refer to the special classes. And in case if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. And if you have any feedback or suggestion, please feel free to fill out the feedback form. And the link is given in the description box. And my Unacademy profile link is also given in the description box. And those who are having the subscription, तो बच्चे एक बार आप एल्गोरिथम्स के जो प्रैक्टिस सेशंस थे और जो क्विजेस थी, क्विजेस में काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूड किए हुए थे. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू इट वंस इन केस इफ यू हैव द सब्सक्रिप्शन. और जो क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं वो भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑन एल्गोरिथम्स. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस सेशन. Today and tomorrow will not be having a special class. Next special class will be on Saturday, and next YouTube session will be on Monday. So on the YouTube, see you on Monday, and in the special class we'll meet on Saturday. Till then, take care. Bye bye.